Hello guys! Nandito kami ngayon sa kwarto ni Light. If you remember, one of our previous vlogs, maybe last month or the other month, is setting up yung bed ni Light. Yung nabili namin sa IKEA. Right now, iniba namin yung position ng bed niya. So instead of against the window, andito na siya sa gilid. So finlip na namin yung bed niya para meron siyang hideout na space sa baba. Tanggalin natin yung mga basura. Ayan. So meron siyang konting hagdanan dyan. And then ito ding cover niya, nabili namin din to sa IKEA. And then very cozy naman siya sa inside. Ganyan. Then dito sa baba, meron siyang mini space for playing. Hindi pa yan siya properly arranged, pero meron siyang potential here to become like a very cozy space. I-arrange namin yung toys niya. Kailangan pa namin i-sort out yung toys niya again kasi ang dami na niyang toys na hindi niya talaga nilalaro na. So, meron din kaming old na ganito, yung mga soft padded na thingy before, nung baby pa si Light. So, we will set this up mas okay. And then, minove namin din yung closet ni Light here. Ito ang highlight of the day. We really had fun sticking this to the door. Gusto kasi ni Light yung mag-measure ng height niya. So, binilhan ko siya ng ganito, which is from Amazon. And this one is like animal theme. And sobrang cute niya. Ayan. So, he can go here sa door. And then, he can measure his height. Merong mga extra na stickers, ganyan, mga extra konting mga sticker na stars, nilagay lang namin sa ibang parts of the room. Like here, sa switch. So, medyo makalat pa guys, pero this is how Light's room looks like. Ayan. Madami pa kaming plans ni David about setting up Light's room para medyo maganda at masayahan siya sa room niya. Pero in the meantime, eto muna ang ating room for Light. Medyo magulo ang bahay namin kasi sinet up din pala namin yung aming bagong coat rack. Huwag na lang pansinin yung ibang nakahang. Pero bumili kami ng bagong coat rack din sa Amazon. Instead of yung parang mahaba, ito na lang yung pinili namin para makasave kami ng space. Nakaka-hold naman siya ng madaming coats, guys. Para medyo malaki yung space namin sa entrance. And then we're gonna get rid of our old hanging rack. Yung isang hanging rack namin is nilagay namin sa toilet. Kadami kaming plans ni David to like improve the space. Kasi as our son grows, nag-i-evolve din yung mga things na kailangan niya, yung space niya. And at the same time, matagal na naming plano ni David na i-update ang aming bedroom. Kasi at the moment, parang ang sikip na niya. And then merong mga things dito na we can potentially get rid of para may konting space. And if you remember, si David nag-set up siya ng office, para mini desktop doon sa living room namin. So the plan is, pag na-improve na namin yung space sa bedroom, is i-move namin dito yung kanyang computer table para dito siya sa room. And then, it will free up a space for our other sofa. Kasi meron kaming sofa dito sa bedroom na medyo nagiging tambakan ng mga damit. So, yeah, we have a lot of plans. Pero, syempre, hinay-hinay lang kasi yung budget natin. Pero, I'm happy na rearrange namin yung kwarto ni Light. So, yeah. Hello guys! Welcome back to the vlog. Today is Monday, April 27 and it's currently 11:18 in the morning. And today is actually David's birthday. He's turning 34 today. Wala kaming particular plan for David's birthday. Gusto lang niya mag-chill. I think after school, mamaya, after namin sunduin sila, we're just gonna go to a Filipino restaurant. Actually, gusto ni David kumain ng lechon. But then, he wasn't very sure kung saan bibili. So, nakita lang namin online, merong nag-sell ng lechon. So, nag-order ako yesterday, but it will come tomorrow pa. 2 kg is like 50 pounds with tip. Hopefully, it will come on time tomorrow. Pero for today, magdi-dinner lang kami. Meron akong na-search kahapon na Filipino restaurant. So, nakita ko is Lutong Pinoy, which is in Earl's Court. And then, meron ding Bintang, in Kentish Town. Sabi na punta na lang kami sa Earl's Court. Doon na kami magdi-dinner. Hindi pa namin na-try doon, but I think I've ordered a couple times na via Uber Eats. Meron akong mga nakitang TikTok videos about the place and it seems nice. So we're gonna try it out later. But in the meantime, gusto muna ni David magpa-haircut. So sasamahan ko siya and then afterwards, we're gonna head to IKEA just to buy a couple of essentials. So I'm gonna take you guys with us. Let's go! Hi guys! Tapos na magpagupit si David. So now, we're just waiting for the bus. Pupunta kaming IKEA. 2 minutes daw. The weather is actually quite nice today. It's going to be like 18 to 20 degrees. So maganda maglakad sa labas. Actually, hindi pa ako nagugutom. Pero in case magutom tayo, meron namang pagkain sa IKEA. And also, gusto ko magkape. I want to drink coffee. Last time, nag-order ako ng kape sa Starbucks. Tapos, excited pa naman ako. Nag-order ako ng ube latte. Tapos, nung tinikman ko na siya, hindi siya ube latte. Tapos, ayoko nang bumalik kasi I was in a rush that time. Kasi, pipick up ko na sila sa school. So, I didn't have time to go back to the store to say nga na hindi ube latte yung na-serve sa akin. Latte lang siya. Wala siyang ube. Try kami ng friend ko sa bagong milk tea store dito sa Pai Camden, yung mochi. Masarap. Pinatikim niya sa akin yung order niya na pistachio white chocolate. Ang sarap. So, maybe we can try it again. David, magkano ang nabayaran mo sa haircut mo, David?
Ang price is 18.
18 pounds for men's haircut.
Tapos
May tip.
Binigyan ko ng 5 pounds. So, balik
5 plus 5 pounds na tip. So, 23 ang binayaran niya. Gusto niya kasi doon kasi mabait yung nagka-cut ng hair. So, doon na lang siya. Okay naman yung haircut niya. Malinis naman. Let's eat, guys. Ayan, same lang kami ng order ni David. Itong nila, meatballs with peas and fries. Ayan, and then nag-order lang kami ng water. And ito yung parang, wala silang mga Coke. So, diba, they have their own drinks. Tadaan! Masarap yung meatballs nila, actually. Bugil naman mo. Meron ba? Kung ma-feature po ito sa vlog mo siya. Lobat na yung mic.
No, yun ako gano'n.
Let's go. Cute ng spaceship na lamp. Ganyan, maliit na. Pero this one, we can do this gusto namin lagyan ng ganito yung nila. So, yun, maganda. Cute tayo. Ganito doon. Guys, ang ganda na itong closet na to. It's for 584 pounds. Ayan siya. Gusto ko yung may mirror siya. Then when you open it, ay dito pala. Ayan, open. Meron siyang hanging area. Meron din siyang black na version. Ayan. So nice. Meron Meron silang vanity mirror na may madaming lights. Gusto ko yung ganito na vanity mirror, guys. 22 pounds. Pero including na yan sa lights. Ito is, the mirror alone is 22, pero the light is 15. Diba? Nice. Naghahanap si David ng maliit na drawer. Kani cute po ni siya. I want to buy this bedsheet, guys, kasi ang cute niya. Pero how much is it? Ang cozy ng kitchen na to, guys. Like, you just wanna stay in a kitchen like this. Gusto ko yung backsplash na pink. And then, meron silang window with a curtain. Naniyan, may ba? Punta ka na itong puti na itong window. Punta ko mo sa tanaw. Naghahanap si David ng extension. Ito gusto ni David na ano. Wala man siya ano be, ligid. Gusto namin bumili ng carpet, guys. Ito, affordable lang siya. Tapos maganda yung shade niya. So, kung magpa-deliver si David ng cabinet, isabay na lang. Bili tayo ng bagong pillowcase, guys. Kasi luma na yung mga pillowcase na to save space, guys. Ayan, para ma-organize yung mga stuff. So, I think ngayon uwi na tayo. What's this? Cute na yung mga lamp na to. So, kapag na-organize na namin yung bedroom, I want a lamp like ito. Saan na daw tong bedroom? Kaya are you waiting for the coffee? Our coffee! What happened to your life? This is my favorite before. Pesto. Peanut butter, but you don't like peanut butter like...
My favorite, this one.
Which one?
Masuk nandito.
Just 2 or 3? 3 lang siguro.
This is Pasakan.
Huh?
That's Mama Sita's.
What pasamaka?
This one, Pasamakan. This is Mom's chicken.
How about... Ay, nasa like happy, oh. Uy, mobile niya akong ganahan sa ano sa una.
Mom, a truck, a big truck.
Where?
Yeah, look, it's potato corner like. Hello guys! Today is Tuesday, April 28 and it's currently 2:33 in the afternoon. Today, nakaset kami ni David na maglinis dito sa bedroom and we have plans to rearrange our bedroom. Yung space is maging more effective siya sa aming needs. Apart from being just our bedroom, plano naming i-move yung computer desk ni David dito and also my work table para meron kaming proper workspace. So, instead of in the living area, dito na sa bedroom yung desks namin. And then, yung bed namin is here. So, ang plano namin is ilagay siya sa other side of the room. And then, ang problema namin ngayon, yan, yung part na yan ng bedroom namin is a bit not nice to look at kasi ang nangyari kasi dati merong molds dyan sa corner na yan, so nag-spray kami ng anti-mold na spray, tapos ang nangyari sa paint is parang nag-come off na yung paint, tapos meron siya mga bula-bula underneath the paint. So ang ginawa ni David is skin rape off niya yung mga paint na hindi na talaga nag-stick sa wall kasi ang tendency is lumilipad yung mga paint particles, so nalalanghap, which is not good. So i-repaint namin yung part na yan. And yung mga small holes, ayan, kita nyo ba? Merong mga small holes kasi dati meron dyang shelf. So ang gagawin namin is we're gonna patch it up. Meron kaming nabili sa hardware store. Eto, all-purpose filler, ready to use. Ilalagay mo lang siya sa area na may holes and then yun na, magiging plain na siya. This is my desk. Luma na to from IKEA. Medyo makalat yung mga gamit natin. Itong sofa na to, we're gonna move it back to the living room for more sitting space. We're gonna take it one step at a time kasi medyo madaming works. Pero annual leave naman kami this week, so we have enough time to rearrange and think about what we need to do. Mag-set lang ako ng alarm kasi baka namin yung time, 3:30 yung sundo namin kay Light. So, mag-set ako lang alarm for 3:15. And by the way guys, kahapon di ba birthday ni David? So, pumunta kami dun sa Lutong Pinoy na restaurant, which we really liked. Nagustuhan namin yung kanilang bilao na food. So, yung in-order namin is yung Jeprox. Merong chicken barbecue, pork barbecue, merong lechon kawali, sinigang, merong pinakbet with rice na yun. So, really worth it. 50 something pounds yung nabayaran namin. Plus, nag-try kami ng halo-halo nila, which is really nice. 8 pounds lang siya. And then, today, so first time namin mag-order ng lechon dito sa UK. Nag-order ako online via Uncle Pinoy. Akala ko kasi para siyang Uber Eats na i-deliver nila na talagang ready to eat na siya na lechon. Like, wala nang gagawin. Pero pala, cooked na siya na lechon. Tapos, I think they froze it. And then, ang gagawin na lang namin is iinitin siya sa oven or sa air fryer. I received the notification sa delivery courier na pwede na daw i-collect. So, i-collect namin mamaya after namin sunduin si Light. So, tingnan natin kung masarap ba yung lechon ng Uncle Pinoy. Ito na yung tinapakan ni David na mga holes. Hindi na sila masyadong obvious. Ito na lang muna namin nilagay yung table ko because since magpipaint pa kami dyan, maybe tomorrow, huwag na lang muna namin i-move yung bed. So, in the meantime, dyan na lang muna yung table. Tapos ito, i-move na namin siya sa sala. Hi guys, nakuha na namin ang lechon na parcel. 2 kg yung order ko. So, buksan natin siya and let's see. Okay. Ayan, message. Thank you for supporting Uncle Pinoy. Meron siyang kasamang instructions. Tiyanan. Okay. So, ganito siya guys. So, I think this is 1 kilo. And then, another kilo. Ayan. Preheat air fryer at 190 degrees. Pat the skin dry and apply a thin layer of oil.
Oven na lang.
Yung isa, ilagay muna natin sa freezer. So, dito natin siya ilagay sa ating, dito? Diretso na siya dito sa ating Pyrex. Just clean it kasi. Grabe guys, excited na ako dito sa lechon. We are from Cebu, so talagang namiss namin yung lechon guys. Ayan, 1 kilo guys of lechon. Sana maging crispy yung skin.
Yeah, ano?
Wow,
That is doing.
it's painting the lechon. It's so nice.
Okay, ito.
Ayan na siya guys, nalagyan na namin siya ng oil. "40 minutes.
Yay! One piece, please.
Light is excited to eat the lechon. Ayan na-chop na ni David guys. In fairness, ang sarap ng skin. And si David, lalabas siya because kailangan talaga natin ng Coke guys. Panulak. Dad is just gonna buy a Coke. Gumawa ako ng sausawan. Paano ba to? And then, syempre, meron kaming Mang Tomas. Ayan, Mang Tomas. And bumili si David ng Coke.
Let me try.
Let's eat.
This good?
Delicious. Yeah.
Delicious daw, sabi nila.
And it's so good.
Sarap.
Let's.
Hello guys! Today is Wednesday and we're going to continue our bedroom renovation. So yesterday, diba, na-move namin na yung mga stuff around. Tapos ito na yung mukha niya. Puro pink yung chair kasi yung first chair na yan na nasa right hand side, gift yan sa akin ni David. Tapos ito naman this is one of my brand collaborations for this year. And I really like this chair kasi na-extend din yung kanyang, anong tawag dito? And then, i-extend din yung kanyang armrest like that. Ganda ng wheels niya. Very soft. And, na-adjust din yung kanyang neck area, guys. Kung gusto mo siyang i-extend na ganyan. Ganyan. Ito yung, palagi nyo nakikita na table ni David. I featured this in one of my vlogs as well. This is from Amazon. So, nakabili na kami ni David ng paint earlier. We went out. Sa Leyland kami nakabili. Yung Leyland is parang yung Ace hardware nila dito. So, pumunta kami kanina and we bought paint and a paintbrush and yung parang lalagyan ng paint. Pakita ko na lang sa inyo guys kasi I'm so bad with like describing all these things. Alright, so ito yung mga nabili namin. Nag-advise yung sales lady sa hardware store na bumili daw kami ng parang sandpaper ba to? Kasi before ka daw mag-repaint, kailangan mo munang i-soften yung area, something like that. So, ito yung binili namin na container. Maliit lang kasi maliit lang naman yung ipipaint natin na area. 2 pounds ata yung bili ni David dito. Ano bang tawag dito? Paint tray. Ayan. And then, dumaan kami sa Poundland. So, bumili din sa David netong mga terracotta pots. So, kasi diba, if you remember, nag-grow si David ng pak choy na seeds. So, tumubo na sila. Kailangan na silang airy pot. May nakita siya na paintbrush sa Poundland. Different sizes. Tapos, 2 pounds lang ata to. Then, bumili din siya ng soil. Multi-purpose potting soil. Ito yung nabili naming paint. Ang mahal pala ng mga paint, guys. Ito is 16 pounds ata to. 1 liter siya. Ito yung nirecommend ng sales lady sa kanya. Vinyl mat for walls and ceilings. So, yun ang ating goal for today is to paint that wall. Medyo busy din ako kasi next week is actually Nurses Week na, guys. So, meron kaming nakahandang mga activities for nurses sa aming unit. For the whole Nurses Week, nag-meeting kami what we can do. So, it's really exciting actually for next week. Why are you cleaning the vacuum?
Because it's so dirty. There's so many dust with the vacuum. Because there's so many dust.
Yeah.
That's why the vacuum's so dirty.
Ito na ang itsura niya guys after first coat of the paint. So medyo malinis na siya tingnan and kailangan daw ipa-dry ng 2 hours muna bago we can put another coat. But so far at least malinis na siyang tingnan. Right now, nagluluto lang ako ng adobo for dinner. Ayan guys. I've just started cooking it. Ito pala yung nabili ko na bedsheet sa IKEA. Nilabhan ko na siya. I think it's dry na. So we can put this later kapag tapos na si David mag-paint. Ayan, natutulog sila. Pagod yan sa school.